Hello everyone, hope everyone's doing great today. If you're new to my channel, my name is Wana, and every week I try to share content on personal finance, self-motivation, and also wealth creation. So I hope you find this topic very interesting. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you get notifications whenever I post videos. So I try to post videos every single week, just sharing some information that I'm implementing in my personal life. So my topic today is why you should think of money as a tool. So thinking of money as a tool. So basically, most people give money too much value. So money throughout society has been a symbol. So there was a particular time when salt was money. We had dowry. So many cultures and so many times in civilization, money was attributed to a particular object. And money is basically a tool. It's just a tool for us to exchange, for services or products. Okay, so money just makes it easy for people to be able to exchange services or products. So if I want to buy a loaf of bread, I don't have to go out there and harvest the wheat and do all the craziness to try to bake my own bread. What I can do is I can go to a baker, exchange money for a loaf of bread. So that's how you should see money. You shouldn't get hung up on, oh, I need to amass so much money, because money is just a tool. Money doesn't make you happy. Money just makes life easy for you. Money gives you option. Okay, so don't get all hung up on money. Yes, we need money, but money is just a tool. It's just like if you're trying to build a house, you need certain tools, okay? And one of those tools that you need to build a house is money, all right? So, you need all your other tools, like your power tools. You have to dig a foundation. You need, a backhoe. All those things are tools for you to be able to accomplish your goal. So you should see money as a tool. Just think of money as a tool. Once you think of money as a tool, then you will stop giving money so much value. All right, you should spend more time increasing your value, and money will come to you. And that's the mistake that most people make. They give money too much value and they don't try to improve themselves. So I know this might sound awkward, but if you think of money as a tool, because money just helps facilitate things. So if you think of money as a tool, then you won't get all hung up with the concept of money, all right? So throughout civilization, like I said before, there has been many symbols of money. And today we have our paper money, in terms of, when I say paper, I mean our currency, whether it's coins or bills, whatever. All right, so money basically is just a tool. So I hope this finds you well. Please like and share my content. Please subscribe to my channel. This might be the most boring of my topics. When it comes to money is always boring for people, but you have to take it seriously, because our lives depend on how much money we have, which, like I said, it's just a tool. It helps you accomplish things. So the more money you have, the more things you can accomplish, okay? Whether it's buying a new house, or buying a new boat, or donating to your favorite charity, or whatever you plan to do with your money. So look at money as a tool. It helps you facilitate things, okay? I hope you all have a great day. Please check out my other videos. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and also give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care.